Finally, we interrupt your regularly scheduled broadcast to bring you this breaking announcement. Cannon Bar Works of Canada has returned my 60-inch bar that I sent out for repair. I'm super excited. I've been waiting. So now, let's open it. Alright, well, sadly it's not sexy Rexy black and says Cannon Bar across it anymore. And they put a new sprocket nose on the front, so that's cool. Nice and tight. What had happened is I'd had some wear back here and a couple other spots along the rails, so they've welded those up and reground them. So I cannot wait to put this back on the saw and cut some shit. But we'll let it warm up. It's a little chilly. Not that that really matters, but what the hey. Thank you to Bill and Kate up at Canon for getting this repaired for me. I'm super excited to be back in business and really appreciate. They did an awesome job. Communication was top notch, even though I took a month and a half to get it sent up there after originally contacting them. And they covered the cost of shipping up there, and cost of shipping them back was really reasonable. So again, I appreciate working with great companies, and Canon's one of the best. So, alright. Maybe we'll mill something, maybe I'll put in a little bit of cutting with this later. But that's the update. Short and sweet. What else is going on? No, that's not the only thing that's going on. The rest of the update is I'm in the middle of cutting all the parts and pieces for Mom's desk. I just finished milling up this super sexy piece of maple, and we're gonna resaw this and book match it into panels. And then I also still have to make the drawer fronts. Alright, so another piece of mail showed up today, so this is exciting, and I'm gonna kind of blow the whistle on this a little bit. Since I have so many wonderful friends that enjoy and brew or distribute beer, I've purchased a few pieces to experiment with making tap handles. Oh look, now it's a beer tapper. So stay tuned. That'll be in the works over the next couple weeks. And yeah, hopefully you'll see some more milling now that the big bar is back. And once all the snow goes away, we'll be able to get at my pile of logs, but we'll definitely be out at the gardens milling with Glenn. So stay tuned. Have a good night, good luck, good week, good whatever. Until next time.